Welcome back to the Keto Cooking Kitchen. Today we are gonna make bacon wrapped green asparagus. For this super easy side dish you only need asparagus, bacon and your preferred fat for frying everything. I use lard. First we wash our asparagus and break off the bases to get rid of the stringy parts. I keep them in order to make a soup out of them later on and to avoid wasting this nutritious food. Now it's time to preheat the pan to low to medium heat and wrap the bacon around the asparagus spears. I'd recommend to use about 3 spears per batch. Finally, the asparagus batches go into the pan and get fried evenly for about 15 minutes until the bacon is crispy. After frying, we add some salt and pepper only. And here it is, the bacon wrapped green asparagus. If you like this recipe, check out the link to it in the video description. And make sure to share, like, comment and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at KetoKookin.